Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this wireless speaker for a bicycle to put on your bicycle handlebars that I was sent to provide my feedback. So obviously this is the box it comes in. We'll go ahead and take it out of the box. Got the box open here. Show you everything that's on the inside. Alright, got the USB charging cable out of the package. So it looks like there's actually a couple of them here. So there's your end that plugs into like your USB connector, and then here's a USB-C end, and then here's another cable here. We'll see what this does. So here's your speaker here. Go ahead and take this out. Alright, so this does seem like a pretty heavy duty speaker. It does have a little bit of weight to it. Here's how you clip it to your handlebar, which I will show you in the end of the video. So you loosen this up right here. Got that out, so you'll slide this on the handlebar, and then once you got on the handlebar, you'll put this back in here and tighten it up until it gets tight enough to stay on the handlebar, and then you got your speaker ready to go. So here's your instruction booklet on the inside. You'll want to read this first before you get started. Make sure you have all the pieces and everything. An auxiliary cable. So if you got your speaker here, this will plug into here, and then the other end can plug into an auxiliary port on a computer, phone, or whatever. If you got that, so you can play, probably play music out of here. So here's your power button on the side, and then your plus and minus volume buttons. So to turn this on, you'll want to press and hold the button until it turns on. You can hear it turn on. Then I've got charging cable plugged into it right now into the USB-C connection. And it's charging right now. You'll see the red light lit up there, so you'll know it's charging. But that's pretty much it. To turn it off, you just hold the power button down.
Power off.
And then you hear it say power off, and you're done. Alright, so I got this installed on the handlebar, as you can see. It does come with two pieces of rubber on the inside of the loop, so you may have to take one out like I did to help fit properly. So I've got it tightened up on this side, as you can see right there. So it's as tight as it can be. It's pretty snug on there. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you this installed on the bike. It was pretty simple. You just loop this loop around from the open end over here after you've got this out, and then you'll screw it back on to put it on there. So pretty easy.